Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change clock icon on your iPhone home screen. Well, it's quite easy. So right now here you can see this is my current clock icon on my home screen. If I want to edit it, what you're going to do is simply long press on your phone and then open this jiggle mode, from which tap on the edit option right here, and then from here tap on add widget. And after doing that, here you'll need to search for a clock, or you can simply tap on the search and then type down clock. Here you can see clock right here, tap on it, and in here you can now select the icon of your clock. So for example, I want to switch it to this manual clock. I can simply do that, or you can get different options. If you simply swipe to left, here you can see you have multiple different options, from which if I want to, I can simply choose these kind of things too. These are clocks from various different countries currently, so I can also do that, or I'm just going to select this one. So I'm going to tap on add widget. So after doing that, here you can see we have successfully changed our clock icon from this to this. So we don't want this, right? So what you're going to do is simply tap on this minus icon that you can see right here, just like this, and then tap on remove. So after doing that, we are all set. Simply tap on done. And we have now successfully changed our clock icon on our iPhone home screen. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.